ഞങ്ങൾ തട്ടേക്കാടുള്ള മൺകുടിൽ ആയുർവേദ ആൻഡ് യോഗ റിട്രീറ്റ് സെൻറ്ററിൽ ഞങ്ങളൊരു ദിവസം സൗണ്ട് ഹീലിങ്ങിനായി പോയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അവിടുത്തെ റിസോർട്ടിൽ കണ്ട കുറേ കാഴ്ചകളും അവിടുത്തെ വിശേഷങ്ങളുമാണ് ഇന്ന് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടും എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ അവിടെ കുറച്ച് വിദേശികൾക്ക്, ഫോറിനേഴ്സിന് ഞങ്ങൾ സൗണ്ട് ഹീലിംഗ് ചെയ്യുകയുണ്ടായി. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളും അവർക്കുണ്ടായിരുന്ന അനുഭവങ്ങളും ഇതിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ഞെക്കാനും മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.
Very peaceful and like heavy.
Then actually I have to tell you one thing. While doing, you are suffocating like anything. Your hands are getting wet or something, right?
Yeah, very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
What you feel on that time?
What do you mean? Sorry.
Actually, that time, what you feel? Any thoughts are coming, or you are disturbed? Why you are getting disturbed?
Not particularly any thoughts, more just like feeling like hot underneath of my body.
Okay.
And like a bit congested, like struggling to breathe.
Okay. Then your throat is getting tight, and I think you want some water or?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Then how you feel now?
Like I just feel sleepy. I feel
Okay.
good though.
Okay. Then how is your mind?
Yeah, good. Just very peaceful.
Peaceful. Any thoughts are coming now? Can you recheck your mind? How is your thought? Anything?
Quite clear.
Quite clear.
Yeah.
Crystal clear like. No thoughts.
Not really.
Nothing. Next. How you feel?
Relaxed.
Okay. No thoughts. Same like no thoughts. Nothing.
Felt very. I had one point. I don't know if I fell asleep for a minute, but I didn't know where I was.
Okay.
So I felt at one point I was like up here, and then I kind of came more conscious, and I realized where I was. I don't know if I fell asleep or it was part of it. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, you people are doing first time, right?
Yeah.
Sound healing, right? Yeah.
relax,
Relax.
peaceful,
Okay.
more specific.
Okay. Then now how you are viewing this world now. Before you are sleeping, came down. That time you saw something here, right? Now how you are feeling?
Just relaxed and tired and heavy.
Okay. And before you told me, actually you people are quite stressed, right? And how you feel?
Not stressed.
No stress. All stress gone out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Relaxed. I felt she only is getting too much stressed.
I
Right?
had fallen asleep now.
That's right.
I was waking up. My whole body's like.
Okay, actually doctor is doing the second time now. And how you feel this time?
Yes, actually, like the previous session
Yeah,
was very relaxed,
relax.
yeah, and peaceful.
Yeah.
Actually, last time,
Mm.
actually, I was experiencing the same process
Process.
as last time,
Yeah.
but I totally feel different
Yeah,
this
yeah,
time.
right. Second time it will come different.
Yeah, it's very different. Actually,
Different.
last time, initially, I was like numbness all over my body.
Yeah, right.
After the middle section,
Mm.
I was like fell asleep. And
Okay.
during the vibration, I am going into a pitch like something. I
Oh
was
yeah.
going to a pitch.
Mm.
But this session, actually, I fell asleep. Actually, I feel float initially.
Floating.
Yeah. After that, I fell asleep.
Right, right.
After that, I wake up.
Mm.
After
Then
that,
nothing. You didn't feel anything. In
actually,
meanwhile, in between.
yeah. Actually, I don't know. Actually, my head. Actually, there's vibrations.
Ah.
My mind is also. My brain is also circling
Mm.
like that, and I feel heaviness. I don't know. This time,
Mm.
it's mixed. It's mixture of emotions.
A mixture of emotions.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's mixture of feelings. I can
Okay.
explain.
And totally different
Yeah,
experience this time.
yeah. It's totally different. I wasn't expect
Yeah.
this type of experience.
You
this time.
expected.
Yeah,
Or
I
no?
expect the last same.
Same experience will come like that you are
Yeah,
telling,
but
but
this
it
was
will not like
totally.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
All the experience will come next time if you're doing, then experience will come next level.
Yeah. Actually, that was quite.
Mind is getting quiet again. Yeah, right.